Doc, nagpa-botox ako 1 month ago pero napapansin ko, bumabalik na naman yung lines, no? So, normal ba yun, Doc? Yes, that's normal. So, ang tanong natin today, how long does Botox last? Botox lasts average 4 to 6 months. Yun yung full lifespan niya. But that doesn't mean na yung effect niya 1 week after, which is yun yung peak, no, 1 to 2 weeks after, magsusustain yun over the next 4 to 6 months. No? So, kung graph siya, no, hindi siya dire-diretsong peak, tas biglang bababa. Pina-explain ko yan sa patients ko. Kung graph siya, no, unti-unti siyang bababa over the next 4 to 6 months. Definitely, after 1 month, bawas na yung effect niya. Doesn't mean wala ng Botox, but it means mas na-express mo na ulit yung mga lines mo. So for example, ngayon, I think 3 months na akong last nag-Botox, nakikita ko na yung lines. Pero sure ako, hindi ito yung original state niya, kumbaga pag walang Botox. Ibig sabihin, yung Botox, although naglala siya ng 4 to 6 months, hindi siya full effect, no, for 4 to 6 months. Ibig sabihin, unti-unti siyang bababa. So definitely 1 month from the day na nagpa-Botox ka, less na yung effect niya. However, I still advise na gawin niyo pa rin yung Botox like me because gusto nga natin ma-prevent yung pag-etch ng mga lines. Ayaw natin mabaon yung mga lines nyo over time, no? And also, meron niyang additive effect. So, for example, yung mga patients kung matagal na nagpapa-Botox, yung mga static lines nila, unti-unti nang nawawala, no? Kasi nga, hindi na nila masyado na-express yung muscles continuously for an extended period of time. Thus, hindi na masyado rin nababaon yung lines nila. So, meron rin talagang benefit from doing Botox continuously during a regular period, which is every 6 months lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-hassle.